Good day and welcome to today's class. Today's class is a continuation of our JSS 2 mathematics on whole numbers. In today's class, we shall be looking at mixed calculations involving standard form. At the last class, we have looked at the basic operations of numbers involving standard form, where we look at the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of whole numbers in standard forms. In today's class, we shall be looking at the mixed calculations involving standard forms, where we shall be having two or more operations in play and we may be asked to simplify. For example, we have example 1 that we are to evaluate 3.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 by 5.6 times 10 raised to the power of 6, all divided by 2.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. This exercise involves two operations, where we shall be looking at the multiplication of these two at the numerators, as well as the final answer will then be divided by what we have at the denominator. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Kindly share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. So what we are going to do is we are going to simplify the numerator, get an answer, and thereafter divide the numerator by the denominator. I have already explained to you how to carry out the basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So now is to apply all what we have learned at the previous classes. This is equal to 3.8 times 5.6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 times 10 raised to the power of 6, all divided by 2.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. When you simplify the numerator, this is going to be equal to 3.8 times 5.6. We have 3.8 to be multiplied by 5.6. 8 times 6 is 48. You write down 8 and carry 4. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 22. 5 times 8 is 40. You write down 0 and carry 4. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 gives us 19. So that when you add, this becomes 8, 2, 11, carry 1, and 2. How many places of decimal do we have? Is 2. So our decimal point is said to be after the last two digits. So our answer is 21.28 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 plus 6, all divided by 2.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. When you simplify this, this is equal to 21.28 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4 plus 6 gives us positive 2, all divided by 2.6 times 10 raised to the power of 7. Just like we did at the other classes, we have been able to simplify the numerator and we have the denominator as a one term. So what we are going to do next will be equal to, I'm going to rewrite this as a whole number. This becomes 2128 times 10 raised to the power of 0 divided by 26 times 10 raised to the power of 6. I have moved the decimal point at the numerator 2 times to my right as well as once to my left at the denominator, and that have decreases their powers by 2 and 1 respectively. So what can then divide? Looking at the denominator and numerator, you agree with me that 2 can divide. 2 into 26 is 13. 2 into 2 is 1. 2 into 1, it cannot. 0. 2 into 12 is 6. And 2 into 8 is 4. Can 13 divide? 13 into itself, at this point, let me make use of the calculator. So when you simplify, this is going to give you 81.8 8, 5 approximately, times 10 raised to the power of 0 minus 6 gives us minus 6. So this is your answer when you are asked to simplify this. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. Kindly share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this class. We shall then take the next example.